So that area right here. Yeah, what's up people? It's 8 in the morning. We got a lot of snow in the last few days. I just saw a lot of car accidents and a lot of stuck trucks. And it's not a lot of work to do because we can't use the streets right here. Hopefully this one here is pretty clean. We have 4 kilometers left to the customer, and I have a very special load actually. I'm not pretty sure what it's called in English, but you will see it later in the unloading part. And for now we just can enjoy the view. I know that my windshield is pretty dirty. Actually I run out of water because I have to use it like every 2 minutes. I have to refill it when I arrive at the customer. Hopefully you get some water for me. But the scenery with all the snow here is pretty nice in my opinion. So much snow around here. right there, this is the customer. Hopefully there is not a lot of snow, because there is one big hill I have to get up. Otherwise I have to unload at another place, I guess. But I'm pretty sure that he used a lot of salt. Oh no, it's free. Perfect. Chill. Same. Full throttle here. Okay, so now I'm looking for some of the workers. I think they can tell me where to unload. I'll be right back. Okay, so I talked to someone, but I have to get back a little bit. It's a little bit tricky because they don't have a lot of space, because everything is full with snow. So I have to get this way. Okay, now I will just park right here, because I really want to get some water. I already asked them. Okay, be right back, getting some water. Jump a little bit more. No. Okay, so as you can see, normally I have to unload my truck up there, but there is no way that I will drive on the snow. And for now I will just unload the stuff into that area right here. And I really don't want to get on that snow. Let's reverse just a bit. Care if my trailer is just on the snow. As long as my truck axles are not, it's fine. So please give me some water now. Okay, so I just will unload.
Turn it on. We about to turn it on.
Nice. I have water. Okay. so yep, that was it. And I don't know if the camera is mentioning this, but it starts to snow, so I really want to get out of this area. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you can enjoy the shots. Thanks for watching, help me out, support the channel, and we see us next time.